I'm a merman.
Here we go. Dive on in. It's slightly offensive, and show is about to begin. With Elijah at the helm, there's much to explore. From hot takes to debates, who could ask for anything more? So grab your gear, let's make a dash. In the world of news, we're making a splash. In the world of Bob, where the tweets do play, there's a fella named Elijah got a lot to say. With his mic in hand and his guests all lined, he dives into stories that'll boggle your mind. Brightly opinionated, lively as can be, Elijah shows like treasure below the deep blue sea. No matter where you go, opinions flow like the tide. On slightly offensive, you're in for a ride.
Freedom of speech, it's a wondrous thing, like colorful corals where the merfolk sing. Elijah explores from the left to the right. In a sea of discourse, he swims with delight.
Brightly opinionated, lively as can be, Elijah shows like treasure below the deep blue sea. Whether left or right, he's got views to provide. On slightly offensive, you're in for a ride. Oh, under the screen light is where the ideas flow. Elijah's at the helm, now on with the show. Each wave brings a tale, each guest sets the stage in a vast mediation of the race. Brightly opinionated, lively as can be, Elijah shows like treasure below the deep blue sea. Catch the wave of chatter, feel the splash of the spree. On slightly offensive, it's wild and it's free. Oh, slightly offensive, it's wild and it's free.